Hey, welcome to my channel. I have a little bit more subscribers now, 100. Woohoo! Got a congratulations from YouTube. Anyways, I like to make simple recipes and make food cook quick. Okay, so on my channel, I try to do quick meals, the easy way, shortcuts. So today, I have a few comments from the chicken wings with potatoes. So I'm just gonna show you quickly how it's done so we can all get on with it and have a quick meal with these. So what you need is obviously a pack of frozen chicken wings and potato. So these are the two basic things we need. And one of these casserole things, so we can put it on the oven, right? And okay, so for the chicken wings, we gotta marinate it. So when you marinate these chicken wings, don't expect the soy sauce or all these ingredients to absorb. So it'll probably take a good hour to absorb in the chicken wings, okay guys? And sometimes I cheat, I use a fork and poke holes to it. So hopefully the marinade will go in a little bit, you know, deeper inside the chicken wing. Okay, so here are some of the ingredients we have. So for the marinade of the chicken wings, so we have a dark soy sauce. So dark soy sauce is to make a little sweeter taste and to make it a little bit darker so it look nice as I did on the chicken wings. So you need a basic soy sauce, so this would be good. And what is always good pairs with chicken wings is white pepper. So you get this white pepper here, which is good. And you need extra flavor nowadays, right? So you get some basic chicken powder for this. So basically, and some sesame oil. And so what you need to do is I'm gonna chop up some shallots and some ginger. So I have some frozen ginger. So later I'm just gonna shred a little bit ginger juice to put in the thing. So anyway, I'll go through the thing with it, and mostly you'll just see how much I put in. So I'm just gonna wing it so it'll be quicker. It's better than looking at the thing is saying how many teaspoons, what, you know, a big list you have to print out, whatever. So it'll be easier. And obviously a potato. So you're gonna put on the base of that. I actually had 2 potatoes, but my daughter dropped the potato while she was coming back on the bike. So that's not fun. So we only have 1 potato. So anyway, so basically this is all we need to make a potato, chicken wing, baked, you know, casserole, whatever you call it, and it'll be awesome. So join me and we're gonna start up cooking this. So this is chicken wings. So remember to cook them 185 Fahrenheit to make sure they really cooked. So you can use a little temperature gauge or something like that. Usually I use this, but I'm gonna fry them later and bake them again. So it's gonna be pretty much cooked. So let's open this bag here. Okay, so here's a paper towel. Just use, you know, 1 or 2 pieces of paper towel so you dry all your chicken. And let's put a white pepper. So this is a Chinese style. It says black pepper powder, but white pepper works just as fine. I would prefer white pepper, but anyways, so we use this. Just a little bit, so maybe just a quarter of a teaspoon. So this is it. And I haven't mixed it yet. Yeah, haven't mixed anything yet. And chicken powder. So you need your chicken powder. People say it's not MSG, but I think it is pretty close to MSG. So half a spoon of this, pretty small spoon. And a bit of soy sauce. So this is a soy sauce here. I use the Kikkoman, pretty good. So let's basically, this is it. So later on I'll add a little more sesame sauce and stuff like that. So basically this is it. So let's add a few more stuff to this after I marinate this. Hope this makes sense to you guys, because I pretty much don't know what I'm doing anyways. So the dark soy sauce, you see it's really white here. So we're gonna make it darker. So it look nicer and taste a little hint of sweetness inside. So this is a dark soy sauce. Can you see how dark this dark soy sauce is? So it gives it really nice coloring to it and flavor. And later on, I put the white pepper in. So we're gonna we need some salt too. So later on we're gonna put some salt on this thing. So we'll put maybe half a teaspoon of salt in there. So here it is, half a teaspoon. That's it. And there's 2 more sauces I gotta put in this marinade. Smelling good, guys. So the other one, last one here, second last one is the sesame oil, just a little bit of it, and mix it. So we're gonna, the last part, we're gonna add a little bit of shallots in it, and then a bit of cornstarch. So let me chop some shallots now. So we have this thing, I cut and removed it, so let's dice this up a little bit. And this one. Do it quickly so your eyes won't burn. So this is the trick. So here's my beautiful wings, and we're gonna stick these in there. You can see a bit of liquid on the bottom, so that's perfectly fine. So later on, when we get this all settled in, we're gonna put this in the fridge for about an hour. So before we start, the last thing, really, I promise you this is the last thing I'm gonna put in is this cornstarch. Okay, so this is cornstarch. So just sprinkle a little bit. So the last step is putting the cornstarch and mixing this. See, the dark soy sauce really makes it really awesome looking, doesn't it, guys? The color. And later on, if you just bake this, you sure can, but it's gonna take a lot longer. So what I do is, I'm just gonna pan fry these before I just put them together. So look at that, isn't that awesome? Smells good. The shallots are starting to burn my eyes because it just got chopped up so quickly, so now it's kind of reacting like a few seconds later. So I put just now a teaspoon of cornstarch. So you can see the sauce is a little bit more sticky right here. So it'll just stick on the wings a little bit more. And that's your marinade for the chicken. And let's transfer this to a mixing bowl. So here's the beautiful potatoes. And what we're gonna do firstly is gonna put some salt. Just a little bit more than half a teaspoon of salt in there. Put a little bit of onion powder. Onion powder always goes well with potatoes. So just half a teaspoon. And we're gonna mix them with this. So when we fry them, there's gonna be a little bit of flavor. And you can see it's pretty dry, so we can just add a little bit of olive oil. Yay, finish the bottle. So basically it's this, and yeah, add a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. There's a pepper, a little bit of it. And after this, hopefully the chicken will be nicely marinated, and we're gonna get a pan and fry this thing and later on put it together. Well, I have this Happy Call. I really like this pan. I'll try to find the link on Amazon on it because it's really less messy, so you don't have to clean as much in the kitchen. So what we're gonna do is just gonna cook these potatoes. And when you use non-stick, never turn on the fire, the heat on maximum. Just leave it on like 80% max, so the coating would last. So usually you would use these for 3-4 months maybe, and you would get rid of them because of the coating is it'll come off. So here it is, and we're gonna close it like that. Isn't that awesome? So there won't be any splatter on your countertop. Can you see these golden brown? It'd be nice. So let's put these in the little casserole bowl. Can you see this bowl? Here, let's put it here. You see it? And just put them in. And we're gonna do the chicken. Never do the chicken first because you don't want to mess with raw chicken, right? So look at these awesome potatoes. I'm gonna put the chickens in this hot thing. We're just gonna throw them in. And usually the wing, you can see both parts. So usually you just put the front part, this part on the hot plate first. So you can cook this first. Well, you line this all up, put it on like medium to medium high fire, and just close this guy up and let it cook. Actually, you don't have to cook it like 100%, doesn't have to be well done. So you guys like it medium, medium cooked chicken wings, go ahead. But actually, it's gonna be safe because it's gonna be medium or medium well, and you're gonna put it in the oven and bake them a little bit. Okay, let's open this up. Wow, very nice. And remember, we still have that little bit of marinade left, the shallots. So you see all these shallots, so we're just gonna sprinkle these on top. And these has been soaked in the marinade, so they come out really nicely. And this is the little chicken wings and potatoes. So we preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna put it in, and we're gonna put it around 20 minutes. And later on, we're gonna use a thermometer and check is it ready to go. Woo! Done. 20 minutes. Okay, guys. Oh wow, that smells really awesome. Look at this. This is awesome. So this first thing we're gonna check the temperature. So is it cooked? So we're gonna put this on the table and let it rest a little bit because it's really piping hot and it smells awesome. Well, we have a tester here. So I had it 20 minutes, but it wasn't really cooked. So I just added another extra 10 minutes. So make sure you get a thermometer and make sure it's 185 Fahrenheit. So it's fully cooked. So we're gonna try a wing and see how it is with a chopstick. Can you show how juicy this is? Can you see it's really moist? Yeah. So anyways, how's it taste? Yummy, yummy, right? So this is one of the quicker ways of doing this potato roast chicken wings. So hopefully you guys can try this recipe, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel because I really want to have more subscribers on this channel. And I love cooking. I cook every day, but the videos I want to post is very easy to do, simple. So thank you for watching. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.